Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. Today we're going to talk about the 4 hottest kinds of fabric that are out there on the market right now heading into May 2020. Let's check them out. So one of my favorite parts about my job is that I get to speak to designers, I get to speak to sewers, I get to speak to quilters in the US and all over the world too. Right now, it doesn't matter where you are, the hottest thing on the market are solids, 100% cotton solids. We're launching our Century solids in June, but you should pre-order them now because demand is so high you might not be able to get them otherwise. In particular, the cotton ball, the black, the navy, the red, and the smoke. All of those are top selling colors right now, and again, these fabrics are incredible for quilting and masks and all kinds of things because they have such a great tight weave. In addition to those colors, make sure you check out Allison Glass's designer picks for the Century solids as well as Laundry Basket Quilts. If you haven't done so already, I highly suggest that you download the Andover Fabrics Century Solid booklet down in the description below. And speaking of Laundry Basket Quilts, here she is showing off our next major trend. It's patriotic fabrics. There are all kinds of fabrics from Laundry Basket Quilts that really make this work. The Anna collection, the Braveheart collection, the Royal Blue collection, and the Signature Style collection all work beautifully together despite not having an overtly patriotic theme. We also have this really great stars collection, both in this more traditional coloring where you can get that nice dark red, you can get these really nice tea stain fabrics with a nice red and blue stars on them, but then we've also got the Star Bright collection, a same exact design, but this one's got a little bit more pop to it. And then down the road, we also have the Allegiance collection coming up that features these really beautiful stars, all in small, ditzy sizes. And that brings us to our third type of hot fabric right now, and that's tonals and blenders. And I know what you're saying, tonals and blenders are always in. Well, that's right, tonals and blenders are always in. So in this linen texture collection, we have some great navies, again reds. These neutrals on this side of the page on the right are spectacular. And then the Dimples collection, great for getting some really nice colors in there, whether that's a deep navy, whether that's a really bright yellow. Right now, we all need that extra pop of color, and this is a great way to do it. And finally, our fourth and final trend, cats. Cats, they're cute. They're here for us when we need them most. And they're not actually here for me. I'm allergic, so this is about as close as I'm going to get to cats. This is perfect for me. We have the Cool Cats collection from Macower. Again, this features some really cute, and in this case, cool cats. There's also some great projects on the Macower UK website. Go to macoweruk.com for all of these free patterns here. And then we've got our Meow Meadow collection. Does your cat yearn to be outside? Do you yearn to be outside? There's nothing like cats wearing a flower crown. Look how adorable these guys are. Now that's a big panel in the middle, but we've also got smaller tossed all over cats, if that's your feline fancy, of course. Thanks so much again for watching. If you see trends out there that you want to call out, throw them down in the comments below. That's pretty much how we decide to make the fabric that we end up making. Andover would not be Andover if it weren't for all of you out there. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.